Her name is Dory. Some people only need to hear something once to understand it, but Dory, she needs to hear it 10 times. In a training session, while everyone else has already started to understand and apply what they've learned, Dory is still there taking notes, trying to remember what was just said. There will always be people who look at her and say, "She probably won't last long in this industry." But Dory stayed, and you might wonder, what made her keep going? Maybe it's because she found an environment where people are willing to help each other. A place where you don't have to be great from the start. But if you're willing to show up, someone will walk with you.
Chị học rất là chậm. Không phải là chị giỏi, chị học rất là chậm. Nhưng mà ngược lại có một cái là chị không give up. Không give up ở đây là sao? Có nghĩa là đôi khi 12 giờ đêm, 1 giờ sáng chị cũng gọi.
Dory started with something very simple. She showed up to every training. Little by little, her confidence began to grow.
So Dory, she is a mirror that we need to look in. Until now, she's still learning. She appeared in any base shop, any team, and anytime, anywhere. She learned from 𝐼𝐴 University. She went every single boot camp, and she combined all of that, and she used it, hit the market, and she got a lot of results.
She says, if everybody else takes one day, Dory can take 1 year, but I'm not going to give up. And it was so shocking and surprising to me that when we came back to check it later, I can assure you, I recorded for her 2 times on 2 different videos for VIPs alone. On one of the videos, she watched it 188 times.
And with a clear system, a leverage system, where you can learn from others' experiences, be guided by those who came before you, and build on that shared knowledge, even someone like Dory can gradually create her own path. It wasn't loud, it wasn't fast, but it was steady. And one day, the woman who had to watch a lesson 180 times achieved things she once never thought were possible.
She is a living proof that if you just stick to the system, if you're just coachable, even if you don't understand it, just do it. We have the roadmap already for a simple person who just came into the business. All you have to do is just follow the system. And from Dory, we can see how success can happen.
It's amazing how that she can close 35 policies in a week. That's a lot of work. And she achieved the goal to full, and she won a trip to F&G.
If you don't fully believe in yourself yet, maybe what you need is the right environment, a clear system, and the persistence to keep going. Dory didn't stop, and she made it.